Okay, so here is my first impressions and room tour. All I've done is walk in and put my luggage down and pick up my camera. So here's the door that you walk in. I have no idea what that does yet, but it has something to do with the lights, I'm assuming. We'll figure it out. Oh, it goes off. Let's turn it on. There we go. Okay. So when you first come in, you have these hangers here. And you have what looks like a fridge, an empty fridge with, yeah. It's a pretty good size, it's pretty cute. You have a safe. You can have your laundry done. All of this nice storage that I'm not gonna be able to use because I'm only here for 2 nights. You have a bench in front of a nice mirror here. And then, as you come in on your left, you have this door. Now we know that turns the light on. So this is the bathroom. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Oh my God. Look at this tub. First of all, this is a huge tub. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm spoiled, like, ah. Okay, here's the sink. Like, of course the toilet. Like, you have your own hair dryer here, like, you even have a US port. Oh my God, that's amazing. There's me, hi. And you have a magnified mirror that you can make bigger or smaller and turn on. Oh my God. I'm never leaving, okay. So you have, I got a room with 2 beds. I don't know why. I'm the only one staying here. You have these USB ports here, which is amazing. There's a little nightstand there and a lamp. Lovely, lovely, lovely. This is just where I put my luggage in this space right here. AC. This I'll make another video about. They got coffee. I don't drink coffee, so I don't know what any of that is. A TV, a work desk, room service. I'm probably gonna be getting that. So in between the beds, they have another set of USB ports and all different kinds of stuff with this that I'm gonna have to figure out. You can see it there. I don't know exactly what that does yet, but we'll figure it out later. Reading lights, 3 of them, count them, 1, 2, 3. Another chair, regular port there. Now let's, more plugins. I'm truly amazed. Truly astounded. I have a view of the street. Let's open her up. Wow. Can we just look at how amazing that is? Like, I'm gonna come way back here. Wow. Okay, so I shut the window because I was getting weird looks from people walking by, because you can just literally see them right down on the street. There's nothing holding you back. So, hotel that I can't pronounce that I will put on the screen. 10 out of 10. so far. Also, you got a real cute concierge. I'm gonna like put on my face and go hit Timothy.